We are working on a Fiesta from my friend. Yesterday he actually put it, and here come one circlip a little bit smaller than this, and we lost it. It was jump here, so that's why the project a little bit stopped, and we need to wait that come new. However, we built already many things. New bearing, we changed the clutch and everything, so quite good, looks quite nice. Today just put a little bit together, that we wait for the part, maybe already put the car on the floor, and that's it. Stay tuned.